SpaceX, the space transportation company founded by Elon Musk, launched the first group of 60 STARLINK telecommunications satellites in May 2019. To date, it operates more than 6,000 satellites in low Earth orbit and already has 2.7 million of clients in 75 countries. This ambitious project worries astronomers and space security experts due to its brightness, as it represents the main source of risk of collisions in Earth orbit. Answering the question at the beginning, the satellites that make up the Starlink network have large solar panels that, when facing the sun, reflect its light. This means that from the surface we see them pass at night as if it were a star moving at high speed and for a few minutes. You will recognize them because they offer a very spectacular view since they look like a train of bright dots in the night sky.